Hello, Tom here in Advanced PLCs. Today we're working on a bottle capper machine. Basically what happens is this bottle gets rotated, a cap is set on top of it, and this plunger right here pushes it on there, and then it runs down and ends up there. While this thing is in motion, there's a couple things that happen. There's a proximity switch, tells it to stop, and that triggers another event in my program, and then this tiny little limit switch, micro switch, triggers another event to happen, which the event is telling this thing to go ahead and stamp, and it's all done. It moves over and starts the program all over again. The only way to stop this thing is to hit the stop button, and there's a couple of lamps up here too. One of them's an idle lamp, and this one's a run lamp. This only comes on when this guy right here is on. Alright, let's just test it and see what happens. We'll hit the start button. No matter how many times I hit this can only actuate this sequence to start one time. That's how I have it set up, one time. You can push that all you want, it won't work until the associated stop button is depressed. Here we go. Let's see what that does. Neat, huh? Check that out. Here, we'll look at a different spot here for you guys. Sorry about the bad video, but hey, we're trying. Look at that. Lab Bolts bottling machine capper. Works like a charm. Also, I'll give you that one last thing. See how I can just do this and it won't mess up the program at all. Only way to stop it is just hit this stop button right here. Stops it dead in its tracks. If I go to hit the start button again, it'll start up right where it went. Boink, boink, boink. Everything works as it's supposed to. The other part, like I said, the lights, when that motor is running, which is right now, that light comes on. And the only time this is on is just for a brief second while it's in its idle state. So I'll hit the stop button over here, and we'll be able to see it. Hit the stop button, and then it's at its idle. When you hit the start, just a brief second. See? Now the motor's running. There you have it. Thank you very much for your time.